going to try and get over to those falls over there for you. They're gorgeous. They're not as big, but they've just got a nice rhythm to them. But first, we can't get by this rock. It's a very big rock. So we have to go around it. It'll be a few minutes before we get there. But I wanted to get a shot of it from this side. Down trees across the river there. The water is very clear. I don't see any fish. And this runs down there and goes over another little waterfall that's maybe, I don't know, 12 or 14 feet and goes out into the Muskoka River. The forest around here is all cedar trees and very passable, very nice walking, hiking. So now I am going to go and tackle getting over closer to those falls for you. Aren't they beautiful? Well, we've made it to the top of the rock. Now all we have to do is see if we can get down the other side to get over to those falls. This waterfall's not very big. I don't know, maybe 30 feet at the very most. But it just goes down in all these gentle steps and it falls, falls, falls. It's just beautiful. Every waterfall has its own characteristics. No two are the same. You can visit it every week and it'll never be the same week to week. Moment to moment, it's always different.